Hey guys, welcome to the channel. For this video, we are actually going to be doing my lashes. Now, if you guys did not know, I'm an actual nail content creator, so doing lashes is something really out of the ordinary for me. But I did say that I was gonna do a Temu Tuesday, and that's what we're gonna do. Now, I did get this comment right here, and I'm gonna give a huge shout out to her because honestly, she is making me rethink the whole Temu Tuesday. So yeah, instead of dedicating a video just for Temu, I think it's best that we brought it out, which this makes perfect sense. So I want to give a huge shout out to this comment or this person right here who commented this because it makes total sense. Why limit myself to just Temu? So it's going to be anything from Shein, Amazon, of course Temu, AliExpress. So I think it'll be really fun to see different stuff, even like Target or Walmart. Try It Tuesday I think fits better. So let me know in the comments if you guys agree with that, or should I stick with the Temu Tuesday? I kind of like the fact that I could be a little bit more broad with Tuesday's videos. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Before this video, that's exactly what it's going to be. It's going to be a lash kind of video, and I'm not going to only stick to Temu. So let's just jump right in and get into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm going to be using. I actually have 3 different options. So I have this one right here. And all of these products I did receive from Temu. If you have not seen that Temu haul, go check it out. I'll leave the link below so you guys can go see all the amazingness that I got. This is one of the lashes that I got. And this is handcrafted individual lashes. This is 10D and then it says like C mixed. So that's one of them. This is the second version I got, and this one is the 20D, and then this one is the 30D. So I have 3 different options that I can go for. I also ended up getting this one as well. So this one is called Palm Lashes. Palm Lashes. And this is what those look like right here. This is the strip version, but I really want to go in with the individual cluster lashes. And looking at these 3, if I hold all 3 of them up, obviously they're different like cluster types, like how much is in each group, and I kind of want to go with the 20D, which is the middle one right here. So we're gonna be using this one. To glue these down, I have 2 options. I have this one right here. This guy right here, I'll actually insert a photo so you can see what the packaging looks like. So, and then it has a bond on one side and then a seal on the other. Now, I tried it. I got this one from Amazon. I tried this before, and when I put the sealing agent on, like you're supposed to put the bonds first, and then you put your lashes, and then you seal it. I kind of felt like it was still a little bit sticky, and it was annoying because when I would blink, my bottom lashes would get stuck, so it was super annoying. But it did last me, I want to say, a couple of days. I'm not gonna say a week. Some people were stating that it lasted them like a week or 2. No, it lasted me like a couple of days. Especially the way I sleep, I'm like crazy. Like I toss and turn a lot until I get comfortable. So yeah, this, I mean, I think is good for a quick 1, 2, 3, but I'm somebody who, if I'm gonna do my lashes, I'm gonna want them on for like 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? So to make them last the 2 weeks, I ended up getting this guy right here. This is, I want to say like the individual lash glues. And these last 2 weeks. Like you need a physical, like a whole nother product just to take them off, which I have that as well. I don't know where it is, but I'll insert the one that I have, and I've used this before and it works really well and I like it. So like I said in the other video, I've done my lashes before, but I'm still like new. Like I've only done it a couple times, and yeah, I am not a pro at all. I don't claim to be. So again, we're just going to try. This, if you don't have that remover, you're not getting these guys off. I'm just saying. So this is what we're gonna use to do my eyes. So I want to apologize ahead of time if I sound like I curse or something. I'm gonna try to edit it out, but probably not. I'm probably just gonna leave it. I have a little bit of liquid courage in my system right now, so it's just gonna be a really fun, flowy video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this. Actually, I'm gonna take this out of the pack real quick. So we got the 20D. OMG, why am I nervous? I've done it before. I'm acting like I haven't done it before, but I've done it before. I'm going to take the lash glue and actually place it right on top of this. Just gonna go all up like, oh my God, that's a lot. Okay, so there we go. So we got some of that on there, and it dries pretty fast, like once you like put it on the lash. And we're just gonna start washing. Let me zoom you in. Ooh, you're getting close. Oh, OMG, you're close. Okay, hi. Let me just fix myself real quick. So we're close. We're very close. I feel a little bit violated, but it's okay. Oh my God, do not mind my lashes. My brows. We're doing this. First thing is first, we're going to curl it. I do have a lash curler. Where did I get this one? This one is by e.l.f. Can you see that? Not really. There you go. Can you see it? So it's by e.l.f. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, oh my God. Ow. You don't want to pinch your skin with this. I don't know. I feel like every time I do this, nothing happens with my lashes. Maybe I'm not leaving it long enough. Oh, that one did something. Ow, I keep pinching my skin. What the hell? Guys, you guys already know I'm like a nail person. I'm not a makeup or eyelash or hair person. Okay, I'm hot. So I'm actually gonna start with the outer corners, and I'm gonna take the long ones again. This is the 20. Let me back up. This is the 20D cluster bundle. So I'm gonna take one of the long ones, and then I'm going to kind of dip it. Gotta see too, guys. So I'm gonna dip. I don't know if you guys could see. I have a little bit of glue on the ends of that. And then I'm going to lift my eyes so I can see and kind of just glue it. I kind of like brush it up so I get some on the lashes. And then do one of those. Ooh, I gotta blink. Gotta do one of this as well. Fan, fan, fan. Okay, that's one. So I feel like doing, I'm gonna do one on each side. One. Is that like weird? I feel like that's like my safe bet, so they become even. I'm gonna do this one, lift, and then pull through, and then glue it right underneath. Okay, one down. I feel like they look like they're going straight out. When I do finish it, I think I'm gonna go in with the curler and like, you know, really get them in there. I am going to pinch this like so, just to make sure it's on. I'm gonna grab another one from the bottom row. Oh my God, hold on, I need a break. I needed a drink break. And again, I'm gonna lift. Oh, I can't see. I'm gonna lift and glue. Pull. I like to pull. I'm gonna glue it right next to it. Ooh. Okay, same thing. Dip again. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna scoop. I have a little bit. Cluster. Pull. Glue. I'm gonna do one more of that same size, which is the really last one on each side. And I'm making sure I'm getting really close to the next one as well. I'm trying my best to not touch my skin. I've watched so many videos of this, guys, so. I hope you guys could see. Oh, I'm so hot. I'm gonna jump to the second row, which looks like the same as last row. Might be a little bit shorter, I don't know. But I got my cluster. I am dipping it. Might be blurry for you guys, so I apologize. Now for this glue as well, I don't know if I said it, but I'm going to, oh, I can't talk. Focus. I'm going to link it on my Amazon storefront so you guys can see. But you guys, I'm telling you, this glue so far has been working really well for me. If you guys have any other suggestions as far as glue as well, other than this, because I already have this and I'm like iffy about it, leave a comment. Let me know what it is. If you have a link for it, send it to me. Holy shit. Ew. Girl, I'm gonna do another roll of that same lash. What was I saying? I already forgot. Oh my God. I'm liking it so far. Ew. Temu, what's poppin'? First of all, I gotta do it's like a Temu / Amazon vid. How many lashes am I adding? I think I just need one more on this side. I'm not keeping track. Guys, if I added one extra lash on this side, that'll be so funny. Okay, let that dry. Me likey so far. What do you guys think? Oh my god, you can definitely tell where the lashes are and then where there's nothing. Okay, let's keep going. From here, I'm gonna jump to the next row. 1, 2, so we're on number 3. Boom, boom. We're going to add another 2, right? Is that what we're gonna do? I think we're gonna do that. Okay, lift. Push. I kind of like shake. I don't even notice I do that, but yeah. Boom. Oh no, what's happening? Don't go nowhere. Oh, I don't like how you look. Camera. I'm being so slow right now. I would have totally already had finished. Next, we're gonna do again the same row. I don't even know how many lashes I put on so far. Oh, and you know what? I forgot to tell you guys. If you see like black on my lid, I did tattoos when I was like 21. If they look a little gray or green, that's that. And I just never really got them like retouched. So that's that. Oh, and these tweezers, it says M-G-E-R. Can you see? Boom, right there, right? And this is what those tweezers looks like. It was a pack of 2. Oh my god, there we go, right there. There you go. See that? So this as well is from Amazon. It was a pack of 2, and I got these like so long ago. I'll leave that on my Amazon storefront. I'll do a separate Amazon list for lashes. Now we're gonna go, so I did 2 and 2 of that row. I wanna go to the next row, which is these right here. I might do 2 of these again. Right next to it. Next on the other side. Stay. What is happening? My eye is starting to water. I hope you guys can see and it's not blurry for you because I will be so pissed off. Oh, you saw that? It's done. Okay. They is having a party outside. Do I want to do another one of those? I don't think I want to do another one of those. I think I want to jump to the next one because I want to go in shorter. So I'm gonna go in and do this one right here. This is so freaking fast, you guys. Like, what the hell? I'm trying my best to not curse. Okay. We're gonna do that same one again. I'm gonna glue the inner. Oh, that's freaking didn't even let me do a swipe. I like doing a swipe first. Then glue it. We're gonna jump to the very top row. Last one. I feel like I need another one on this side, no? I kind of feel like this eye is bigger than this one. Am I bugging? It is, right? We're gonna let it dry. And then I'm gonna go in and do one of these things. And kind of just squeeze all of them together. Again on this side. I'm doing it because I've seen somebody else do it. In my head, it makes sense. Ew! I could do these a couple times. I cannot sit there and do like these individual lashes that these ladies do. I gotta give it to them. This is it, you guys. Ew! Temu lashes with Amazon glue. What's poppin'? I like them. Okay, so this is the final look. Let me zoom you guys out. So what you guys think of my lashes, my do-it-yourself lashes? I think they came out pretty good, not salon standards, of course. Let me zoom you out a little more. I feel like you're a little too close and it's bothering me. All right, you guys, so yeah, this is the final look of my Temu Tuesday / Amazon video. Let me know what you guys think of these lashes, if you would try it, as well as a lash glue. Comment what you think about changing it up to a try it Tuesday. I will leave all of the links in the description box. You guys already know I got you guys. But yeah, that is it for this video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.